AMD's reach spans technologies for data centers, cloud services, PCs, edge computing, and AI. They offer products like semi-custom SoCs, adaptive SoCs, APUs, CPUs, GPUs, DPUs, smart NICs, and FPGAs. They also develop software stacks and work closely with customers to create customized solutions based on their needs. In addition, investment goes into innovative technology like custom-ready chiplet platforms and AMD Infinity architecture to maintain their leadership position. AMD's strategy focuses on becoming a leader in the next era of computing, driven by AI technology. They aim to be an end-to-end AI leader with a broad portfolio of high-performance compute engines for supercomputing, cloud, edge, embedded, and end devices. Their AI strategy has 3 priorities: delivering adaptive hardware and software solutions, expanding partnerships across the ecosystem, and providing compelling user experiences through their open software platform. In 2024, they accelerated growth in their data center segment by releasing AMD Instinct MI300X GPUs and announced the 5th-gen AMD EPYC family of server processors. They also completed the acquisition of Silo AI to expand their AI development and deployment capabilities and entered into an agreement to acquire ZT Systems for AI infrastructure solutions. On top of that, they continue to invest in improving the AMD ROCm open software stack for AI training and inference on AMD platforms. AMD's business consists of 4 reportable segments: data center, client, gaming, and embedded. The data center segment includes AI accelerators, server CPUs, GPUs, APUs, DPUs, FPGAs, smart NICs, and adaptive SoC products for data centers. The client segment comprises CPUs, APUs, and chipsets for desktops and notebooks. The gaming segment features discrete GPUs, semi-custom SoC products, and development services. Lastly, the embedded segment encompasses embedded CPUs, GPUs, APUs, FPGAs, SOMs, and adaptive SoCs. Starting from December 27, 2025, AMD plans to combine the client and gaming segments into one reportable segment, leaving 3 segments: data center, client and gaming, and embedded. The data center segment at AMD primarily includes server-class CPUs, GPUs, AI accelerators, DPUs, FPGAs, and adaptive SoC products. These products cater to the computational visual data processing and AI workload acceleration needs in the data center market. The segment offers a diverse set of high-performance, energy-efficient, scalable, and adaptable compute engines to meet the demands of storing, accessing, analyzing, and managing growing amounts of data. AMD's data center products consist of server CPUs, such as the AMD EPYC series processors, and GPU accelerators, including the AMD Instinct family and Radeon PRO-V families, which are designed for AI training and inferencing, exascale-class scientific computing, remote visualization, and other specialized workloads. The data center segment offers various FPGAs and adaptive SoCs, such as Vertex, Kintex, Artix, Spartan, Zynq MP-SoC, and Versal products for data center use. Their Alveo accelerator cards help accelerate multiple workloads at the edge or cloud. Additionally, they provide Pensando DPUs and a networking software stack to offload data center infrastructure services from the host CPU, catering to large IaaS cloud providers. AMD also offers low-latency networking solutions through their SolarFlare portfolio, which combines hardware adapters with the OnLoad family of user space networking libraries. This is ideal for high-performance applications in capital markets. The client segment at AMD powers personal computers. Their desktop CPUs include the AMD Ryzen and AMD Ryzen Threadripper processors, featuring Zen 5 cores and second-generation AMD 3D V-Cache technology for leadership gaming performance. The notebook CPUs offer a combination of performance, battery life, and immersive visual experiences. The AMD Ryzen mobile processors feature the NPU for next-generation AI PCs and are built on various core architectures, including Zen 4, Zen 2, and Zen 3 Plus. The commercial CPUs include AMD Pro solutions for large enterprise, mid-market, and SMB customers, offering security features, manageability, reliability, and extended image stability. AMD also offers chipsets to support their Ryzen and Threadripper platforms across entry-level through professional workstation desktop systems. AMD also develops graphics solutions for computing devices and entertainment platforms like data centers, desktop PCs, notebook PCs, handheld devices, all-in-ones, and professional workstations. Their graphics products are used for immersive visualization and processing AI and ML workloads. They also create semi-custom solutions based on CPU, GPU, and multimedia technologies, which have been used in leading gaming consoles and handheld gaming products. AMD's Radeon discrete GPU processors support current generation APIs like DirectX 12 Ultimate and Vulkan, high refresh rate displays, and include the latest technology for immersive gaming experiences and AI and ML computing. The company also offers professional-grade graphics products optimized for demanding use cases such as CAD, broadcast, and animation pipelines. The embedded segment comprises embedded CPUs, GPUs, APUs, FPGAs, and adaptive SoC products targeted at various industries such as aerospace and defense, automotive, industrial, healthcare, communications infrastructure, audio, video and broadcasting, and data center. These products cater to applications requiring low power, small form factors, and continuous 24/7 operations. Graphics performance, support for multiple operating systems, and adherence to rigorous temperature, shock, vibration, and reliability standards are essential features. The market has shifted towards using industry-standard instruction set architectures and processors to reduce costs and accelerate time to market. AMD offers embedded products such as CPUs, APUs, GPUs, FPGAs, and adaptive SoCs designed to support high-performance compute, network connectivity, security, storage requirements for enterprise and cloud infrastructure, automotive infotainment systems, and more. Their FPGA families include UltraScale Plus, UltraScale 7 series, and older series, while their adaptive SoC products consist of Zinc SoC and Zinc UltraScale plus MPS OC. They also offer development kits with hardware, tools, IP, and reference designs to accelerate the development of specific applications. Additionally, they provide legacy product families like Vertex and Spartan FPGA families, as well as CPLDs including Cool Runner and XC9500. Adaptable platforms include FPGAs and adaptive SoCs to support customers' designs and reduce their development efforts. These platforms feature reconfigurable hardware, integrated memory, DSP, analog mixed signal, high-speed serial transceivers, and networking cores. The company's AMD Vivado Design Suite provides hardware design teams with the tools needed for programming FPGAs and adaptive SoCs, while their VIDES unified software platform enables the development and deployment of embedded software and accelerated applications. Additionally, they offer the VIDES AI platform for developing AI software on these devices. AMD sells its products through a direct sales force and independent distributors in domestic and international markets. Sales arrangements are based on product forecasts but don't require minimum purchases. They use quotes, purchase orders, acknowledgments, and contractual agreements as evidence of sales. AMD offers warranties for 1 year and up to 3 years for certain products. Their product brands include EPYC, Instinct, Radeon Pro, Ryzen, Athlon, Threadripper, and others catering to server microprocessors, data center graphics, desktop and notebook PCs, consumer graphics, professional graphics, and embedded markets. They market their products through direct marketing, co-marketing programs, and third-party advertising, and they offer market development funds for eligible customers. AMD serves various customer segments such as hyperscale data centers, PC OEMs, ODMs, system integrators, independent distributors, network of AIBs, add-in board manufacturers, aerospace and defense industries, automotive, industrial, healthcare, communications infrastructure, test measurement, audio, video, and broadcasting markets. They work closely with their customers to develop products that meet specific needs and offer engineering support for quicker time to market. AMD also receives non-recurring engineering fees from certain customers for design and development services. There's also a focus on 3 types of OEM partners: large multinationals, regional accounts, and global system integrators targeting commercial and consumer end customers. They also cater to the mid-market and small-medium business segments through VAR channel resales. Their OEM customers manufacture servers, workstations, desktops, notebooks, PC motherboards, and game consoles. AMD's data center-focused products, such as server CPUs, GPU accelerators, DPUs, FPGAs, are used by large multinational public cloud service providers, and hyperscale private data centers for web-based applications and supporting public cloud computing and storage services, including AI workloads like generative AI models. AMD works with authorized channel distributors who resell products to various customers, including sub-distributors, OEMs, ODMs, and other businesses. These distributors maintain inventories of AMD products and have agreements that protect them against price reductions and allow for certain return rights if a product is removed from the price book or discontinued. In addition, AMD provides component-level graphics and chipset products to AIB manufacturers who create board-level products for system integrators, SIs. These agreements also protect their inventory against price reductions, and SI customers can directly purchase from AMD. In the semiconductor industry, factors that determine product competitiveness include cost of ownership, product introductions, quality, features, energy efficiency, reliability, performance, size, price, adherence to industry standards, integration level, software and hardware compatibility, usability, security, stability, brand recognition, and availability. In the data center segment, AMD's main competitors are Intel and NVIDIA, with their server products including CPUs, GPUs, and DPUs. Smaller companies offering proprietary accelerator solutions or ARM-based CPUs for data center use cases also pose a challenge. In the client segment, AMD primarily competes against Intel in supplying CPUs and APUs. The adoption of ARM-based PC solutions could lead to increased competition from various companies providing such products or platforms. In the gaming segment, AMD's main competitors in graphics are NVIDIA, who leads the discrete GPU market share, and Intel, which manufactures integrated graphics processors and gaming-focused discrete GPUs. For semi-custom game console products, where graphics performance is crucial, AMD is the market leader. In the embedded segment, AMD faces competition from companies like Intel, Lattice Semiconductor, Microsemi, Broadcom, Marvell, Analog Devices, Texas Instruments, NXP Semiconductors, Qualcomm, and NVIDIA. They compete against technologies such as FPGAs, ASICs, CPLDs, DSP devices, and multi-gigabit transceivers for embedded processing needs. Other factors related specifically to Intel concern their rebating strategies, product bundling, and exclusivity, which can limit market share and margins. As for NVIDIA, its dominance in the graphics processing unit market, along with its aggressive business practices such as allocation strategies, pricing actions, product mix, introduction schedules, and bundling strategies, may limit competition on a level playing field. This could result in decreased market share and profitability for other companies, including potential impacts on their ability to choose non-NVIDIA products. NVIDIA's significant financial resources enable them to heavily invest in research and development as well as marketing efforts against competing companies. AMD focuses on designing and developing next-generation processors, FPGAs, adaptive SoCs, accelerators, SOMs, smart NICs, and associated software through their research and development efforts. They prioritize improved performance and efficiency in advanced semiconductor manufacturing processes, as well as logic and interface IP design, advanced packaging technologies, and heterogeneous integration techniques. They also work with industry leaders on process technology, design tools, intellectual property, software, and open source initiatives while conducting product and system R&D activities globally. AMD uses third-party wafer foundries like TSMC, GlobalFoundries, UMC, and Samsung Electronics for the production of wafers for various products. Board-level graphics product manufacturing is outsourced to other third-party manufacturers. The wafers are sorted or delivered by the foundry to assembly, test, mark, and packaging, ATMP partners, or subcontractors in the Asia-Pacific region. AMD has two ATMP joint ventures with Tongfu Microelectronics, Siliconware Precision Industries, and King Yuan Electronics for providing ATMP services to their products. In August 2024, AMD entered into an agreement to acquire ZT Group, a provider of AI and general-purpose compute infrastructure for hyperscale computing companies. The acquisition is expected to accelerate time to market for AMD's AI training and inferencing solutions and close in the first half of fiscal year 2025 after obtaining regulatory approvals. For more on AMD and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.